Good morning and welcome back to the channel and to Morton Hall Camping and Caravan Park. It's our second full day here. It's not the best weather either again. It's not as misty as yesterday morning, but it hasn't given it misty and cloudy all day. So today we're going to go back into Edinburgh and we're going to go underground into old Edinburgh and explore Edinburgh a bit more. So if you want to join us, please carry on and watch this video. And we've also booked in to have lunch in the Grand Café around about 1:30 this afternoon. So if you want to join us, please carry on and watch this video and we'll see you when we get to Edinburgh. Bye for now. Here we go, day 2 into Edinburgh on another misty day and drizzly. Yeah. So I'm going to walk up to a bus again now. Yes, I don't think we'll be looking at any sunshine in Edinburgh, are we? At least you can see trailer block today anyway.
Yeah, it's not.
So it's not as misty as yesterday.
Yeah.
There's a few wrapping up this morning though, isn't there?
Yeah.
You won't fancy being in a tent in this weather then? You're happy with Caravan?
What shop's in there, you know, back of reception, isn't it?
I don't know, I've not been in.
Yeah.
Well, apart from booking in.
Yeah, well, when I went in to ask about buses, I really quite, it's behind. Quite big actually.
It says it's a licensed shop as well, so. Got some Island cows in field. Yeah. Couldn't see them yesterday.
Yeah, they had them when we came in.
It's one of them, it's just that very, very fine drizzle, isn't it?
Horrible.
Yeah. He's got some good horns, that one. Can't see him on here, but he's got some very big horns. Having a look at garden centre later. Yeah, like I say, it's got cafe in that, so.
Yeah, it's got a big stand for breakfast.
Yeah.
See what they're doing.
Right. Nearly to the bus stop. Here we are, back in Edinburgh. No. We'll have a look in the old graveyard. Took us about 25 minutes, didn't it, on bus, yeah. There's some very big headstones, isn't there? Grave headstones. Captain Balfour. 1846. There's, isn't there? Yes, there's certainly a lot of churches, isn't there?
Yeah, very much.
There's one there. And there's one there. So there certainly must have been important people to have headstones this big.
Isn't that one over there?
No, I haven't actually. Oh heck. Massive that one, isn't it?
And that one.
Yeah. George Winton, architect.
Give it time.
It's quieter than yesterday. Yeah. Same time we come in.
Yeah.
So this is the council parish church, isn't it? So the one we've just been in was the Anglican. Can actually see the castle today. Only just clearing the mist up there. We couldn't see it at all yesterday, even when we got up close to it. I'll tell you something, back in the day these headstones must have cost a few bob. Yeah, they're all families, aren't they, right there. So it's the Parish of St Cuthbert. Bronze statue of a dog, I'm not sure what it is. There's a plaque, but I haven't got reading glasses on. I'll have a quick look. So it just says Canine Connection, a lot of writing underneath it on plaque. Yes, they love the gardens right in the middle, aren't they? Plenty of your favourite trees. Look how big that one got over there.
I know, don't forget those.
Rowan trees.
Yeah.
Yes, you don't realise how easy they spread those, do you? Especially that one we had in our garden, there were seedlings everywhere.
That's not a real one.
Oh, it isn't, no, it isn't. No. Ornate fountain. Yes, so we booked on a tour at 12:15. We're going underground in Edinburgh. Well, at least we could see the castle today anyway. Yeah. It's a nice bit of open green space in between. It is, yeah. Round this way. There's some good trees. Got an elephant down there. Not sure what the significance of the elephant is, but we'll find out when we get closer to it. So it's in memory of our precious babies. Gone but never forgotten. Quaint little house. That's an impressive building. There's still mist though. So we'll go up the steps. Milton's Court. These steps are well worn down, aren't they? You can see. Yeah, I bet these alleyways could tell a tale or two. Here we are again, and it's still misty up here. Not as bad as yesterday, but but they're taking out quite a bit of this area for that filming. So we're booked in to go down to Mary King's Close. So we booked on at 11:45. We booked it yesterday. So looking forward to going down there and look round. It's an hour's guided tour. £22.50, but you're only here once each. So we'll see what it's like and we'll take you with us. City Chambers. That is a wedding going off over there. I think that mist coming in again, isn't it? I think that mist's coming in again. It's an impressive Supreme Court building, isn't it? It's like they're setting up a set here for film as well. The Gothic horror movie for Netflix. There's certainly some props there, isn't there? Ginger beer. Yes, there's certainly some props there. Certainly misty and moody again today. I've made a friend. Unfortunately, you can't take pictures or video down there, but if you're in the area, it's well worth a visit. Really enjoyed it. You can see roughly behind me what from the picture. Really enjoyed it. So now we know, after being down Mary King's Close, that is the plague doctor. So it were all leather. He had all leather, so fleas couldn't bite him, and his raven beak was filled with like sweet petals and things like that to cover the stench up. And the hat, the only person who could wear the hat. So there's some steps come up there. Well, the mist cleared.
Yeah, well, it's just
And it's not drizzling. So did you enjoy that?
Yeah,
Good.
really good.
Yeah. Well worth £22.50.
Yeah, I'd say it again.
Yeah. So it's lunchtime now, isn't it? The Grand Café?
Yeah, not tomorrow, 1:30.
1:30, yeah.
Get there for about 1:30.
Yeah. We've got street artists. Other ones waiting to perform here. That's been a lovely meal. I didn't film it, it's been lovely. Lovely surroundings. We've had some piano music on as well, so it's been good. I didn't film them because copyright. So we're going to have another drink here and probably work us way back to society. That mist keeps just drifting away and then coming back in again. Scott Monument. Some intricate carving on that, certainly. Actually, the mist has cleared a bit. We can see a bit more of Edinburgh Old Town up there. can just see the castle as well. Adam Black, Lord Provost and Member of Parliament for the City of Edinburgh, born 1784 and died 1874. He's got a seagull on his head. Have a last look. The mist has actually cleared from round the castle. Right, I'm going to call it for this video. It's not a very long one, I don't think, but we've really enjoyed his day today. The mist has cleared and it's actually brightening up, so getting attacked by seagulls. So what we'll do now is we'll get back to site and we'll see you when we move on to our next site tomorrow. So if you've enjoyed following us today, don't forget, do the normal YouTubey stuff and click that notification bell and it'll tell you when we've uploaded some more videos. So hope you're enjoying this tour of Scotland we're doing today. So until tomorrow, when we move on, we'll say goodbye for now. Bye.